Okay, fine, fine. So, tell me that today, if we have to talk about the COVID times,
Okay.
what did you feel? How did you feel? And what goes through your mind when you think of COVID?
Uh, Actually, COVID is a pandemic that time when when decide to completely lock down it March 23.
Okay.
I'm sure about it. It's March 23.
Yes, it was. It
23 March
was. You are
2020.
absolutely right. Yes.
Yes. So that time I had I was in Delhi. Actually, I
Okay.
was in Delhi and doing the
Mm-hmm.
job.
Okay.
So it is very difficult for survive after 23rd of March. Yes, daily needs essentials and
Yes.
food, vegetable also.
Hmm. Okay.
So
So,
it
Arun,
was
which place do you belong to? Which place do you belong to?
actually I am belonging from I am belong to the Uttar Pradesh Devariya.
Okay. So now, still, are you working in Delhi, or now are you back in your village?
No, no, I'm still working in Delhi.
Okay.
I'm still working in Delhi.
Okay. So now,
Uh,
because of COVID, were you lucky that your job was there always, or you also had to forgo that job?
yes, yes, I was lucky. Thankful
Okay.
to God also.
Yes, yes, of course. Because see, so many people they lost their job, and
Yes,
they had tough time because of COVID, and some businesses and some people who were running day-to-day business, it was very difficult for them to survive.
yes, correct, ma'am.
Yes.
So I was very lucky and also thankful again to God that my
Yes.
job is not gone and I'll working for full COVID time
Yes.
in my
Very good. Very good.
company.
Very good. Very good. Good.
And
So that's very nice. So yes, that is what we always say that because of pandemic, we learned so many things, isn't it?
yes,
So what did you learn? What are those two or three things which you really learned when
uh,
COVID happened?
yes, that time I learned a lot of things like we don't have any we not we have to always care about uh, our not beggars in uh, hungry people
We
always
need
care
to
about
take care.
serving.
Yeah, we need to take care of people around us. We need to
Yes,
take care of people around us. Yes,
around
very
us
good.
like hungry
Hmm.
people
Yes, yes.
and and they are uh, not not able to survive foods
Mm-hmm.
like not able to survive means when they are daily earner
Yes,
that
they
means
could not. They could not even get one.
yes,
One square meal also they could not afford. True.
yes ma'am, and also take care about village because
Okay.
that time
Hmm.
we all are going to our village, leave the
Hmm.
all cities.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
that time we are, actually we have observed that the
Mm-hmm.
uh, village is the so important for
Hmm.
everyone.
Yes. Back home. Back to roots.
Yes, back to home, and
Yes.
that time we have all we have any other things of that observed that was I was observed
Hmm.
uh, this that is Because yes, always be helpful for anyone who cannot
Yes,
afford anything, who
yes.
cannot
Like
survive.
Arun, like you are so grateful. You are being thankful to God, grateful to God that God had given you this opportunity and you could keep the job and you had the job and you had the, that peace in mind that you are able to earn and you are able to eat properly. But there were
Uh,
so many, and then if you are sensitive towards them, that is the best quality one which you have. That I must
uh,
congratulate you that you are thinking about others.
yes, sure, ma'am. Because and I'm also involved in that type of activities. After
Okay.
that, not after
Mm-hmm.
that, before that, but after that, I'll deeply absorb that. So we
Mm-hmm.
have to help them, and we have to
Very
come
good.
to the front and help them, everyone, because because I that time I said I see the which peoples have a lot of money and lot of properties,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
and that time corona will destroy their all things.
Hmm.
When people was die, then after that, who will care of that, and who will care all the things.
Absolutely. Absolutely right.
So these all things are see on my front of eyes.
Hmm. True.
So so everything is that is we have to observe, and we have to follow these types of activity. After that, uh, I'm totally, yes, agree that with we have every time do need to do helpful who's who's
Yeah, you need to
need.
be helpful. You need to be sensitive towards them. That is very true.
uh,
Now, I think you can try switching on your camera and let's see how your connectivity is.
yes.